The first of 5 affordable housing projects for San Diego Unified teachers will be moving forward. The school board voted unanimously in favor of working with the developer who bid on the project. It would be located at the Instructional Media Center on Cardinal Lane near Linda Vista. It promises 100% affordability, 1 to 3 bedroom units, and some parking. Board members say the project will be fully funded by the developer, but some neighbors are still concerned.
We are a one-way in and a one-way out. We are built in a canyon.
The parking here is horrible. With everybody parks in front of our street, we can't even park in front of our house.
The safety of our neighborhood is in jeopardy with this plan. We already are overcrowded.
A vote for housing on the other 4 properties has been postponed until next month, so the school board can hold a workshop and question the developers bidding on those projects.